In this video, I'll show you how to turn on Apple Intelligence on your Mac Mini M4. So let's get started. First step is to go on the top left corner where you see the Apple logo. You're going to click once on it. And then from the menu, you're going to select System Settings. Then from this list, all you have to do is to select Apple Intelligence and Siri. But I have to warn you, if your Mac Mini M4 is not updated to the last version, unfortunately, you will not see this and you won't be able to use Apple Intelligence. So I suggest you go into General, then select Software Update, wait a few seconds, and if there is an update currently pending, go ahead and install it before continuing. Once there's no update, like on my computer here, select Apple Intelligence and Siri. Then on the top, you need to switch this on, so Apple Intelligence, turn this on. Currently, Apple Intelligence is in beta, which means all the features are not currently available. If, by the way, when you go on this screen, Apple Intelligence is not currently available, they may ask you to sign in to the beta program. I know this happened on my iPhone. It didn't ask me on my Mac, but I guess it could happen as well. So you just need to make sure that you accept whatever they will say there. And usually after 2 or 3 hours, the Apple Intelligence settings will appear over here. If you want to use Siri with your Apple Intelligence, simply enable it too. Then click Enable, go through these screens, so click Share Audio Recordings, and then you can customize depending what you want. Right now we are in December 2024. Pretty sure if you're watching this video in the future, in 2025, it won't be in beta anymore and all the features will be actually available. But for now, this is how it looks. Thanks for watching, leave a comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.